How to change autocorrect on Samsung. So if you want to change autocorrect on your Samsung keyboard, whether you want to turn it off or you want to turn it on, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if none of this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to change your Samsung phone keyboard autocorrect, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your phone. Then on the settings page, just want to scroll down, keep scrolling until you get to General Management, where you see language and keyboard, date and time. Click on that. Then locate Samsung keyboard settings and click on it. Once you select Samsung keyboard settings, locate Samsung typing, and under Samsung typing, locate predictive text. If predictive text is turned on, that shows your Samsung keyboard autocorrect is enabled. If predictive text is disabled, then that shows your Samsung autocorrect is disabled. So to turn it on or turn it off, just need to turn on predictive text or turn off predictive text. You see that? So that is basically how to change autocorrect in Samsung keyboard. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.